Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So what is this called?
Loaded fries.
Loaded fries. Looks nice anyway. MashaAllah.
Right.
So there's more going on this, yeah? No wonder it's called loaded fries. MashaAllah. Looks nice without that, chef. Yummy, yummy, huh? More going on there. Bloody hell, that's a lot, innit?
Touch. So usually more cheese goes as well.
Cheese as well.
Put cheese. Thick.
Yeah, the cheese goes with melted cheese on it, innit?
Yeah. We don't have the melted cheese at the moment.
Alright, okay.
We put it on after.
Well, do for now anyway. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Very good.
So there you go. This is our loaded.
Yeah. It's very nice. Looks tempting as well. Well, I'm not going to eat it now. So that is going on the menu, is it, or not?
Yes. Sure.
MashaAllah, okay. Well, this will be, I think, a good seller.